Louis Partridge embraces the spirit of Sid Vicious as he enjoys a raucous night on the town with punk biopic co-stars Thomas Brodie Sangster and Anson Boone.
I am Opses. Welcome to my channel Showbiz Ops. We upload daily entertainment news. For latest news about showbiz, please subscribe our channel and push bell icon for getting new updates daily. Thanks.
Life imitated art on Monday evening as actor Louis Partridge and his co-stars enjoyed a raucous night on the town during a break from the set of their new Sex Pistols drama. The 17-year-old rising star plays hell-raising Sid Vicious in forthcoming Danny Boyle-directed series Pistols, based on the legendary punk band's meteoric rise to fame in the mid-70s. And he appeared to be adopting a method approach to his latest role as the troubled musician while out in London with Thomas Brodie Sangster, 31, and Anson Boone, 21, who play Malcolm McLaren and Johnny Rotten respectively. The three co-stars were accompanied by a wider group of friends as they gathered outside Waterloo pub The Mulberry Bush, before moving on to another nearby bar. At one point Louis, who was just below the legal age to consume alcohol in the United Kingdom, appeared to neck a pint during his latest public appearance. The actor's 6-episode series began principal photography in March, with Oscar winner Boyle serving as director and executive producer. Based on Jones' 2018 memoir Lonely Boy, Tales from a Sex Pistol, the supporting cast also includes Sydney Chandler as Chrissie Hynde and Emma Appleton as Nancy Spungen. Offering a fascinating new perspective on one of rock's greatest ever stories, Pistol moves from West London's Council Estates, to Westwood and Malcolm McLaren's notorious Kings Road sex shop, to the international controversy that came with the release of Pistol's album Nevermind the BS. Their single God Save the Queen was banned by the BBC and reached number 1 on the UK's NME chart, but appeared at number 2 on the official UK singles chart, leading to accusations that the song was purposely kept off the top spot. Director Danny Boyle has had an acclaimed TV and movie career, with his 2008 film Slumdog Millionaire being nominated for 10 Academy Awards and won 8, including the Academy Award for Best Director.